Section 47, subsection 2 of the Electoral Act 2022 makes it mandatory that to vote, the presiding officer shall use a smart card reader or any other technological device that may be prescribed by the Commission for the accreditation of voters to verify, confirm, or authenticate the particulars of the intending voter in the manner prescribed by the Commission. So the use of the BVAS is a mandatory provision of the law and is not an option of charity. The Commission does not have a discretion on whether to use the BVAS or not. The law says that we shall and must use the BVAS, and this Commission is committed to using the BVAS because we spend so much time, we spend so much energy, and we spend resources in putting together the BVAS. The BVAS was developed by the Commission's in-house engineers as a way of making sure that identity theft is minimized as much as possible at our polling units. So we cannot spend time, resources to develop the BVAS and then throw it away and say we won't use it again. It doesn't make sense. So the BVAS has come to stay, and we are going to continue to use the BVAS in all our elections. The Commission will also transmit polling unit level results in real time. The transmission of polling unit level results is also a mandatory provision of the law, as Section 64, subsection 4 of the Electoral Act has made it mandatory. We canvass for the inclusion of the BVAS and the electronic transmission of results in the Electoral Act. We therefore have a responsibility to keep faith with our own innovations aimed at the conduct of transparent elections driven and propelled by technology. So in conclusion, the Commission is committed to delivering on its mandate. Our allegiance will remain to the people of this country. We therefore seek the cooperation and partnership of the media in the task of conducting an election that Nigerians will be proud of. So I want to, on behalf of the chairman, to thank all of you for what you have done for us in the past, for what you are doing for us now, and for what you are going to do for us in the future. We need your prayers, we need your cooperation, and we need your support because conducting an election in Nigeria is a Herculean venture. As some of you know, the total number of registered voters in the remaining countries in West Africa stands at around 73 million, while the total number of registered voters in Nigeria stands at around 93 million. So conducting election in Nigeria is akin to conducting election in the entire West African sub-region. So it's a very big task, and we are equal to the task, and we assure Nigerians that we have the capacity and the courage and the organizational power and capacity to pull through with this particular election. Thank you very much.